Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and it's like 2 a.m. So basically yesterday it was my cousin's birthday, so I printed him a red robot. I got the printer for Christmas, and here, I'll show you guys. And so yeah, not only am I going to talk about that, I'm also going to show you guys like the review and how I'm going to take it off. So let me just take off the magnet. There we go. Okay, this is my phone stand. I got it on Dave & Buster's. Okay, one of my favorite tricks is bending this. Wait, let me take off this part. Wait, let me use the trick that my dad showed me using the brick separator. Maybe that works, and kind of. At least I got that thing. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, let's bend the board. Uh-oh, I just heard some cracks. Oh, what's this? This might take a little bit long. Ugh. Oh man. Okay, maybe this isn't working that well, but okay. Okay, we got the legs. Also, the legs move pretty fine. Wait, I have little dots here. Let's see if it can connect to any Lego pieces. Wait. Oh, so the leg doesn't really want to. There we go. Okay, let me just. There we go. I'm making sure. Okay, let's see. It does. It's pretty cool, huh? Oh, wow. Well, oh my god, this is really, really awesome. Wonder what my cousin would need. Anyways, bye guys. I'm gonna go print something else.